Hey guys, what is up? It is your wolf buddy, Fluffy Adams, the Angel Wolf. And yes, this is my channel in someone else's video, and I'll be getting to the person's name here in a minute. But I just wanted to show you my channel through this video right here. It was uploaded 12 hours ago by the one, the only Blizzard Queen Wolf. And Blizzard Queen Wolf is my real life best friend. And here's a little shout out to you, bestie. Hope you're having a great day, and tell Jackman that I say hi. Because Benny Boy says hi and he misses you. And so does Greg and Collins as well. If you don't know who Benny, Collins, and Greg are, they are on my channel, which is right here, shown right here. And, yeah. Just doing a little shout out to Blizzard Queen Wolf, and please subscribe to Blizzard Queen Wolf's channel, and subscribe to my channel, which is shown right here, because I have this many subscribers, and I've done this many videos. And, yeah, so, Blizzard Queen Wolf, you are #1 in my book. And by the way, Blizzard Queen Wolf, stay positive, stay healthy, and stay safe. And remember, keep making videos because they're fun, you know? And I have 3 special guests that are actually with me right now, and it would be Skylar, Andy, and Marlo. So I'll show you guys Skylar, Andy, and Marlo, but in real life. Ta-da! Introducing Skylar! Hey, what's up? That's a truck honking the horn. Andy, the Border Terrier, Webkin. Howdy, what's up? And Marlo, the Husky. See? It's Marlo. And then it's Marlo. Anyways, huge shout out to, Blizzard Queen the Wolf. And, Blizzard Queen the Wolf, I hope you're having a wonderful day. And me and Marlo love you. And we love all the viewers, too. And, yeah. And, Marlo, what do you have to say? You should get yourself ready to go see Greggy Aggie. I will at 11. Okay, sounds good. Alright, but remember, subscribe, comment, leave likes, and put on that notification bell for Fluffy Adams, the Angel Wolf. That's Fluffy Adams, the Angel Wolf. Yes. And remember, we love you, and Fluffy Adams, the Angel Wolf, out. Peace. Bye. Don't know why I'm saying bye, but I am. What the heck was that for? That was uncalled for. Seriously? Oopsies, did I do that? Yes, you did. And I don't know why you keep thinking that it's fine. Stop it. You just got more on me. More what? Now I'm going to be all wet.